Welcome back to my channel. It's ElleKosGlam. I'm so glad you found my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and let me know you love it. This is Future Elle speaking. Before I get started on this video, I just kind of want to explain what you're about to see. This particular picture you're looking at is a healthy state of my hair. I've been on my hair journey for a very long time, and I've grown my hair to my waist 3 times over my hair journey here on YouTube in my YouTube life. And now I'm going to start another adventure, which is another journey, and I'm going to be taking you with me. I'm going to be wearing protective styles and a lot of crochet hair. I found that if I wear my hair braided up and I leave it alone, then it would just grow and it will flourish. And unfortunately, when you're going through a trauma like losing your mother, losing your grandmother, you lose your hair. That's the first thing that I lose. So I'm going to start all over again. It's been years since I started my hair journey, and I actually cut my hair into a bob, and you will see it in the video. But this video goes back about 15 years on YouTube, and I'm going to take you through my journey, and then I'm going to start doing my installs and doing reviews, and I'm going to show you how I take care of my hair with extensions and installs and crochet hair while I swim in the ocean. I own a travel franchise. I travel a lot. I cruise about once a month, or I'm at a resort and I own a travel franchise. So you could just hop over to Mr. Traveler, where we travel the world and we love to share those adventures with you. But in the meantime, over here on ElleKosGlam, we're going to keep it beauty. So I'm going to take you through my reviews. I'm going to do some DIYs. I'm also going to do some time lapses of how I install my hair, whether it be illusions, whether it be crochet hair, and I just do my own hair. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave me a comment and let me know that you love it. Went on a cruise for my hubby's birthday, and I'm a little bit tanned, but I actually spent some time in the water, and I decided to take really good care of my hair on this trip. I only brought a braid out and buns. That was it. And when I got back, I just went ahead and straightened it and trimmed my ends. Is you see a little bit of the color. I'm not in my really good camera right now, but you can see the reddish brown tint. Here's my hair, the beginning of March 2018. It's a little bit brittle, but I like to keep it up in the bun. I love to wear protective styling. I trim my ends every 3 months, and I blow dry my hair with a cold blow dryer. Heat does not hit my hair only once a year, and that's to take a look at my hair to see how healthy. I promised my mother I'll never cut my hair before she left here, so I want to grow it right down to my waist. And an easy protective style is a bun. I like to trim my ends, and I'm showing you how I trim it. I just take a whole length of my hair and trim it with some shears, and I bun it right up. I like to keep my hair off my shoulders, because when your hair is off your shoulders, it grows fast versus rubbing up against your shirts or causing breakage. You want to retain length, and in order to retain length, you have to keep your hair off your shoulders. You want to make sure you also eat your vitamins. I eat a lot of leafy greens. I eat a lot of dark greens. Here's my hair in September 2018. This is as of today, and I straightened it. I just wanted to see where it was at. I'm not greedy for length or anything. I'm more into health, and I'm just giving you a look at it. I want to make sure that you guys know I'm not wearing a weave. And I'm just combing it through just to show you. So okay, and now I'm back. This is March 2020, and like I said, this was the most healthiest my hair been since my hair journey, and I'm trying to get back to that point. So I'm going to take you through my install of crochet hair, whether it be a sew-in or anything that I'm doing. I'm going to share with you. So let's get started. This is the state of my hair as of March 2024. my hair is cut into a bob. It's very, very dry, very brittle. Like I said, I travel once a month. I do not cover my hair when I'm in the ocean. I'm a diver and I like to swim in my swimming pool in the backyard. I love to be in the water. However, I can. I do not cover my hair. So this is the state of my hair. It's actually cut to like ear length to my chin, and I want to just start my hair journey all over. So here's my braid pattern. I do all my braids myself. I don't go get them done. I want to make sure I can control how fast my hair grows because like I said, I did this 3 times since I started my hair journey. So I do about 10 to 12 braids to the back. I attach the back together, and this is just a look at the back and the sides, and this is what my braid pattern look like. The lines are not straight, I know that, because you won't see them once I do the crochet hair. I make sure that it's not tight, and I make sure that my oils that I use can penetrate into my scalp, and that's the whole point of wearing these braids, is to take care of my hair. I don't care about the weave. I don't care about whatever's attached to my scalp. I want to concentrate on my scalp and my hair. That's the whole point of it. So as you can see, I have very fine hair, and I just braid it right to the back, and then at the back I just sew like the little pieces together. Now this is a illusion install for the front. I want to show you how I do it. I take the crochet needle and I slide it along my scalp. I put it through, and I hook one of the locks together, and then I pull it. You're gonna see I'm gonna slowly pull it through because you want to make sure you be careful and you want to make sure you have enough loose braid to do this. And this is the illusion effect. If you want to see more videos, there's plenty of videos on YouTube, and this is how I make it look really good in the front. I love that illusion where you don't see anything in the front, and I just pull one side through. You can either loop it through and tie it off, or you can just leave it. And sometimes I just leave it because I don't do anything to my hair. I just oil my scalp and wash it. But I do secure it, so I'll loop it back through and tie a knot. But I just wanted to show you the illusion effect of a crochet hair, and this is how I get that illusion look in the front of my hair. The hair done. It's 20 inches. It's very dry because I have nothing in it yet, but I am going to put something in it and cut it down a little bit. I just wanted to show you what the 20 inches look like. This is a T27. Okay, so this is day 1. Let me go ahead and style it, and it's about 1 o'clock in the morning, so I'll show you in the morning. Day 1.